The IAA 2013, the world's leading automobile trade fair in Frankfurt. Continental shows visitors the way to the future in keeping with the motto, "A day in the life of a driver." On 1,100 square meters, the international automotive supplier, tire manufacturer and industry partner is presenting a plenitude of innovations. Safety, the environment, information, Continental has got key solutions for the mobility needs of the future.
The first and major thing is that our booth is open, transparent and accessible. We want to be an accessible company because we provide solutions that are supposed to be accessible to many, many drivers in the future. Our booth concept shows a day in a driver's life, but not a day of today, but a today of the future. So many of the things that you see here and can experience here will become reality on the streets, on the roads in the future.
A special highlight which the enterprise is presenting at the trade fair is its system competence in the area of automated driving. Continental has got the entire vehicle environment in focus, thus driving home its brand promise, "The future in motion."
Surround view systems normally contain of about 4 cameras, and the pictures of these 4 cameras are stitched together to one big picture, which then gives the driver a kind of bird eye view, where he can look like he looked from the top on the car, in the display, in the cockpit, and with this view it's possible for him to detect critical situations and to avoid additional accidents.
No accidents, considerably lower fuel consumption and stress-free driving. This is no longer a utopia. Millions of people worldwide are making increasingly diverse demands on individual mobility. As the leading tire manufacturer in Europe, Continental has been on the road to the future for quite some time.
For our premium tire brand Continental, safety is of most importance. We have the highest priority in research and development on this topic, which means that our engineers and chemists and tire experts have to deliver new solutions to bring the performance of the products on a higher level with every generation. So some criteria are, for example, braking on dry or wet, braking on snow and ice for winter tires. And on the other hand side, at the same time, we need to have very high level of grip regarding precision and handling. Another topic is for other car segments like e-cars that the focus is on a very low rolling resistance. But for Continental, the approach is nevertheless to offer very good safety criteria regarding braking and also handling and steering precision.
Efficient, eco-friendly and powerful, electric vehicle propulsion is a major focus of the IAA. Under the guiding concept of clean power, Continental is presenting its new propulsion system, 48-volt EcoDrive.
So we as Continental, we are providing solutions that makes these type of drivetrains more efficient and more environmentally friendly. And with our solutions, we also make sure that the performance, that means the driving pleasure, will not come short of it. One perfect example for this is our 48-volt EcoDrive. With this innovative systems, we are able to provide a high potential of fuel saving and with this CO2 reduction. And with this, at the same time, with a very, very comfortable system, which makes driving very comfortable, and all this at moderate cost.
Innovation for green mobility. That means seat coverings made of renewable raw materials, drive belts for low-emission engines, and last but not least, modern lightweight interiors.
The requirements on lightweight, on comfort, but also on durability, on usability of cars and their interiors are continuously increasing. We from Contitech show here on this theme island suburban drive an innovative solution that meets all 3 requirements. With TPO2 Protect, we have developed a special lightweight decorative material that pleases the passenger by its soft touch and that in addition shows an outstanding high scratch resistance.
Continental is setting new standards in terms of seat comfort. Ingenious electronics and innovative massage function are networked to a smartphone or PC.
We demonstrate with our seats a wide range of comfort functions which could be integrated in such a seat. We connect the seat via smartphone or home PC, and the aim is clear: the driver should be able to step out of the seat more relaxed than he got in.
Small measures with large momentum. Continental at the IAA 2013, a powerhouse of system competence.
Efficiency and environmental friendliness are major topics of modern mobility. Taking this into account, we from Continental offer numerous innovative products to make the car manufacturers able to improve their efficiency, cleanliness and environmental friendliness. Our electric vacuum pump with a light and powerful design from plastic enables reduction of emissions. Compared to a conventional mechanical driven vacuum pump, the EVP reduces CO2 emissions by up to 1.8 grams per kilometer.
Ultimately, Continental also presents itself as a sought-after employer for engineers, scientists and business economists. People who develop individual and sustainable mobility for people.
For me as head of communications, I would be very, very pleased if they take away the message that we are not only building, producing and offering excellent tires, for which Continental is well known, but that we also offering a broad range of innovative electronic solutions. So we are a technology company, and many of the solutions that you see here have to do with electronics. That's why we are successful, and that's why we think we are shaping the future, and I think that's another message that they should take away. Continental is a company that drives the future.
A day in the life of a driver. Pay a visit to the future with Continental at the IAA 2013.